Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and this is part 2 of the GBFKE order. And so I thought, well, let's start with the big one. We'll have more room on the counter. Let's start with this big one right here, and let's see what it is. Do I remember? No. I did look at the order briefly, but that doesn't mean I remember everything. All right, we know it's large. Okay, so oh, I remember. I think this is going to be really pretty. Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, this has got a few wrinkles in it, but it's poured glue, and I don't think they're going to be hard to get out. I like to roll them the other way. Sometimes I roll them the long way, and whatever it takes to get the wrinkles out. Okay? Okay. Shipping is not kind sometimes, not kind. Okay, so this kit, larger kit, it comes with 2 tool kits, and look, they have the 4-placer on them. Yeah. Okay, love those. Here's our big package of drills, and look at that blue. Look at all that blue. What's that tell you? Yeah, lots of blue, lots of gray, and some pink. Okay, let me show you what this is. So first of all, let's look at the drill field, because as I was looking at this, I was like, oh, it's going to be a blue background. Well, it is. Down here, you'll see a lot of Y's, okay? But then when you come up here, look what happens. Oh, we throw in another symbol. Yeah, you might be able to do 3 of each color, but that's 2 colors blended together. It's going to give it a beautiful effect. It's just not a solid color blocking. There is some, I mean, here's some solid Y's. You just, but they've thrown in another color for effect. Here's the legend, 27 colors. Look, they have music notes. Oh my goodness. They have music notes as a symbol. That's kind of cool. Anyhow, I like that. That's cute. Here we go. You want to see it? Okay, so we start out with flowers, just beautiful, beautiful flowers. Okay, are they a lotus flower? Probably. That's my guess. Or lotus flower. Oh, there's a dragonfly in this one. Yes, there is. There's a dragonfly right up here. Very light right now, very faint. Its wings, I mean, a dragonfly's wings are kind of light and faint anyhow, but there it is. Isn't it pretty? So pretty. So you have these beautiful flowers. They're going to be white probably, or maybe a very light pink, and then outlined. 3756 is all of this. Okay, and then they're going to have some pink, and then in towards the center where it gets darker, the leaves are just all kinds of greens, all kinds of greens. And then we've already talked about the blue background. It's very pretty though, isn't it? It's gorgeous. It is a 45 by 85, so it's probably 40 by 80. It's beautiful. Wow, it's gorgeous. That's just gorgeous, right? Oh, and look at the color. Look at the color of that background. That's one of the main colors right there, right? That blue, a lot of it. Oh, it's gorgeous. You want to open all? I think we should open all of these. I want to see how much pink there is for the flowers. We're not going to go through every single one. We'll kind of do a perusal. Just a perusal. So, I mean, there's tons of that blue. Look at it. 5 bags of it. Yeah. Okay. And here is 3756. If I'm not mistaken. 24. Yep. So this is the flower. The main part of the flower is this like off-white minty color. Wow. And then it's going to go into the corals and the pinks. There's a lot of this one too. That's got to be the other background color maybe. There's so much of it. That would be a good mix, wouldn't it? Let's see. 17. Yep. Yep, those are your two background colors right there. Those two. One's kind of a bluish, really pretty blue. Another one's more of a grayish color. So that'll be the mix of the background. But how pretty, right? Then you get a selection of greens. That's the background. And that's the flowers, the main flower petal. Wow. Okay. That'll be really pretty. Very pretty. Stunning. Beautiful. Okay, let's do this. You guys go like this. And we'll fold you up like this because we can. Because you're poured glue, we're not going to hurt you. But we'll have more room. We'll have more space. Oh my goodness, somebody's at my door. Seriously? My mailman brought me 3 packages this morning. And now there's somebody at my door right now. Ah, go figure. I don't know. Okay. You just never know around here. That looks like Amazon. I can't see them. But. Okay, here we have a bag. In a bag. This is a special drill. I can tell already it's partial, so it'll be special drill. I always try to do like one large one, some full drill, special drill. Every once in a while I throw in just something just special, you know, like a fun project thing. All right. Let's see what we got. Love the color on this already. Love the colors. Okay. Here's our toolkit. Add that to the pile. Oh man. Purple, 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 whoa. What is that bad boy? We gotta look at those. This has got gorgeous colors. Gorgeous colors. It's beautiful. Just beautiful. Look at it. Oh man. Purple, purple, purple. Maybe pink. I don't know. There is pink. A little lavender. We'll call it lavender. Lilac. 9 colors. I know I say lilac. You can say lilac if you want, but I say lilac. I don't know. Maybe it's a Michigan thing. I don't know. Lilac, lilac, tomato, tomato. Okay, so you can see where that big one goes, clearly, right there. But what's it look like? I'm certain it's not white. Oh, you can't see it. Oh, here we go. Gotta move it over here. It's pearl. It's a great big pearl. Ah, look at that. Put a big pearl up there. That's cool. All right, what do we have? What do we have? Oh, we got beautiful, beautiful stuff. Like I said, purple, purple, some bluish ABs. They pick up the purple. Clear marquee, clear round, faceted. Oh, my favorite friends here, the slivers in purple. Oh, slivers. Then we have a little bit of orange. Now, I'm sure the orange is going to stand out, but it's also going to pick up the purples. And look at those. Love those purple iridescent AB teardrops. Love, love, love those. Where in the world do the teardrops go? Teardrops usually make flowers, but I don't know on here. Not the teardrops, the slivers. Where do the slivers go? I don't see the slivers. Normally they pop right out. Oh, here they are. Here, 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 here. Oh, I can handle that. They're just kind of here. They're just in the leaves. So that's much easier. If they make flowers, you know, you got to get all the little petals lined up just right to make the flower, and then they usually put another drill in the center. Those are going to be easy though. And isn't that beautiful? It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. My favorite colors. Gorgeous. All right, let's do the notebook next. You saw there was a notebook. Probably saw that in the very first unboxing. Or when I took them out of the package. Okay. It's a little bent, but it will straighten up. I got this one because it's got beautiful colors. Is it a notebook or a sketchbook? It's a sketchbook. No lines, so we call that a sketchbook. But look at it. It's got a beautiful pattern on there. Beautiful, beautiful pattern. All blues. Got a couple of big shapes there. Gorgeous. I'm not going to open all of them. Oh, well, look. Look right there. Those are the prettiest special drills right here. I call them shards. They just look like a shard of glass or ice or something. They're so pretty. But many different blues and clears and a little pinkish purple down here. Beautiful, just beautiful. Okay, all right. I need to show you. We got pearls. I need to show you this one now. I can see it hiding in there, but I know you can't see it. I'm not going to show you all of them. I'm just going to show you this one because he looks really cool. Okay, where was he? He's hiding right here. We have the like mermaid fishy scale looking things. Those are cool. Here's the special ones. And then look at these. Love those. So there's the specials. All right. Beautiful. Just beautiful. That will be gorgeous. Okay. One left. One left. One left. Okay. I'm going to get the Melly knife out here. Go at it this way because this one doesn't want to undo, and it's got a big long. This means I need to clean off my Melly knife. You go through these gluey packages and it gets all over the knife and you gotta clean it off. Oh, ooh. Okay, I have a couple of these different pictures. That's why I got this one. And they're called something. What are they called? Silken? No, what are they called? I don't know. Can't remember. But the material is this, it's very silky-like. That's why I call it silken. Look at them. Look how nicely they're scalloped, the edges and everything. They're so cool. Nylon. They feel like nylon. That's what they feel like to me, is a nylon. And he is stinking adorable. All right, stinking adorable. Wait till you see him. Wait till you see him. There's our toolkit. Got some special drills in here. He's a partial, but I like this. I think this is my third one I have like this. And I've got them from all different places, you guys. Look at him. Here's Santa. Ho, 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 ho. Look at, he's so cute. He's got holly and holly berries. Look at his nose. Got a checkerboard cap. Oh my gosh, and the snowflakes. He's adorable. There are 13 different shapes, colors, whatever we have. He's adorable. Oh, you can't even see the whole thing. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. I just realized you can't see him. Now you can. Isn't he adorable? He's adorable. I love him. Okay? He is cute as all get out. Yeah, and this canvas is just this very soft, nylon-y kind of feel to it. It has a name. If I could remember it, I would tell you, but I can't remember. Anyhow, he is so cute. I would like to do all these. I have like a mailbox. No, there's another one. Snowman with a gate. I got those from different places. I know that. So this is my third one. All three are from a different place. But I love them. They're so cute. I need to do a couple of them. It's almost Christmas time. Jeez. I get so busy with projects. I got to finish that one, the secret project. Then I've got my Christmas project. Okay, so this is, wow, there are not as many rhinestones as you would think. So there's some red rhinestones. Then we have yellow AB. Then we have 2 bags of white AB. Okay, like all those snowflakes. Can you tell all those snowflakes? And maybe his beard. Yeah, the beard's going to be AB. There's 4s. In the snowflakes are 4s. Look at that pretty blue. And a couple of green rhinestones. This has got so many special things going on. Look at that. Look at those big pearls. Those pearls are gorgeous. Then we have a marquee, which is a clear, but it's AB. And then we have some bagged drills. Yes. Okay. Holly berries. Yes, holly berries. Oh, wow. Okay, so these are black resin drills that have the silver back. Please don't be confused just because you see the silver back. I had somebody try to tell me one day, no, those are black rhinestones. I'm like, no, they're not. These are black resin drills with a silver back. This is what comes in Amy's kits at Crystal Canvas. That's what's coming in this kit. They are resin drills with a silver back, okay? Oh, these are beautiful right here. They look black, but hello, can you say green, yellow, orange? Wow. I don't know where those go, but wow. Wow, where do those go? Number 11. It is number 11 on the canvas. Oh, they go in his hat. They go up here in his hat. In each of the black squares, he gets one of these. That's cool. And then we have these. Those are cool too. Those go in the center of the snowflakes. You guys, I love this. This is so cute. Oh man, I need more time to just diamond paint. Maybe I should stop making videos and just diamond paint. What do you think? Tell me if that's a yes or a no. Anyhow, that's what I got, you guys. Super cute stuff. I love it. Okay, that's it for the GBFKE products for this time. Promotional products from GBFKE. Thank you so much for watching. And which one would you do first? I mean, if you had limited time, what would you do first? Let me know. Thanks for watching, you guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.